Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a video blurred using HTML and CSS. First we are going to download our video by using a free platform like Pixabay. So let's choose a video to download. So we are choosing this one. Let's start it. So we downloaded our video. And now let's create a folder to put our video there. I'm going to name it blurred video. So let's cut it there. And let's rename it to make it more easier for us. I'm going to rename it to video1.mp4. So let's open Visual Studio Code. And let's open there our project. As we can see, we have there our video, and we are going to create an HTML file and CSS file. So first I created index.html. Let's name it our document, blurred video tutorial. And then let's create our style.css, so our CSS file. And now we are going to link our CSS file to our HTML file by using link rel stylesheet ref style.css. style.css. And now let's add our video by using video tag. And now let's set the source video1.mp4. Let's view it. This is our video, but as you can see, we cannot see the commands of our video, like start playing, etc. Let's add them by using controls, and now we can see the commands below. But we don't want this. We are going to use another thing like autoplay, loop, muted. This function makes it possible to autoplay our video without the control commands below, like this. And let's add some text below just for fun. and I'm going to write this is a blurred video made with HTML and CSS. As you can see our text below now. So let's add some CSS for our video first. So we are going to add position fixed, right 0, bottom 0, and we are going to add minimum width 100% and minimum height 100%. In this way our video will be full screen. And now we are going to add the most important thing. We are going to make our video blurred by using WebKit square filter blur in brackets 8 pixels. As you can see now, our video is full screen and blurred and auto-playing. So now let's add some CSS for our text. H2 and open the brackets. We are going to add aqua as a color for our text. Position fixed also. Bottom 5, and background color we are going to use RGBA 000.5. And let's add width. Width will be 100% and text align center. As you can see now, our video is blurred and we have our text displayed on the top. Maybe we can put it in the bottom. Now it's in the bottom. Or we can use any other number for our bottom position. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And please subscribe, like and comment. Goodbye.